isn't it? We should. I'm just thinking. श्लोका हमने किया ही नहीं, बहुत टाइम हो गया. So it's because it's the Purushottam month. Let's do some little bit of shlokas and then we can proceed ahead again. है ना? So who all is coming first time today? Prabhuji, you are coming here first time. Anyone else who is coming first time? मेरे तो सारे काफ़ी लोग नहीं दिख रहे हैं, बट कोई हाथ ही नहीं उठा रहा है. अच्छा, यस, ओके, हरे कृष्णा. हाँ, सेकेंड टाइम. अच्छा, ओके, हरे कृष्णा. प्रभु जी, कैन यू टेल अस योर नेम? Prunal, okay. Prunal. How did you come to know about this program, Prabhu? To Facebook, and okay, nice. Okay, Hare Krishna. Welcome to the program, and I'm hoping you all will have a माता जी, आपका नाम क्या है? माता जी, new, the person who raised your hand, ना, कि Ritu, okay. So welcome to the program, and hope you have a spiritually blissful evening. The topic that we are discussing today is related with karma. So it is a very interesting topic. At the same time, it may cause some frequency waves in your heartbeats when you hear about karma. So I want to put a disclaimer that I'm not saying anything from my own mind. I'm saying everything from the Shastras. So if you don't like it, you know who to blame. Okay, Hare Krishna. All right, we will do some shlokas. It is Purushottam month and we have not been doing shlokas for a long time. So Bhagavad Gita has 700 verses, okay, and out of those 700 verses are divided into 18 chapters. Okay, and out of those 700 verses, Lord Krishna has spoken 574 verses. Okay, Arjun has spoken 84 verses, and maybe we need to give him something to काहीतरी खायला द्या त्याला. And who can say how many verses Dhritarashtra spoke? One. Yes, which is there in front of you. And then there is one more personality which I have not yet mentioned who is speaking in Bhagavad Gita. Who is that? Sanjay. Yes. So Sanjay has spoken 41 shlokas. If you add this 574 plus Dhritarashtra 1 plus Sanjay's 41 plus Arjun's 84, it will make 700 verses. Okay. So this Bhagavad Gita starts with the first shloka. Let's recite this shloka. Okay. So I will recite one line and then you will follow after me. Okay. So before we recite any Bhagavad Gita shloka, we will invoke the Lord's mercy. We will invoke the Lord's blessings. Okay. So Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So there are two differences. One is Vasudev and another is Vasudev. Vasudev means Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Vasudev is the father of Krishna. Vasudev Devki Vasudev. So we are saying Vasudeva. So Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 Dhritarashtra uvacha. Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre. Samaveta Yuyutsavaha. Mamakah Pandavaschaiva. Kimakurvata Sanjayah. Then we will sing one more, chant one more shloka. This is the last shloka of Bhagavad Gita, okay? Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna. Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha. Tatra Srir Vijayo Bhutir. Dhruva Nitir Matir Mamaha. So we have chanted the first shloka and we have chanted the last shloka. Okay, so those who have come here for the first time or those who have chanted for the first time, so welcome to the world of Bhagavad Gita. Okay, so in this holy Purushottam month, you have chanted two shlokas from Bhagavad Gita. So this way we have various nice shlokas. So see, when we chant these shlokas, there is so much of a positive vibration. We feel so nice because these are words from the Lord himself. These are powerful words. These are not ordinary words. These are spiritual words. So the more we chant these shlokas, the more purified we will be. Let's do one more. Bahunam janmanamante ज्ञानवान माम प्रपद्यते वासुदेव सर्वमिति सह महात्मा सुदुर्लभः. So let's read this translation. Rani Mataji, could you please read this translation?
After many births and deaths, he who is actually in knowledge surrenders unto me, knowing me to be the cause of all causes and all that is. Such a great soul is very rare.
So Bahunam Janmanam Ante. So Lord Krishna is telling this to Arjuna. After many births, बोले बहुत बहुत जन्म और मृत्यु के चक्कर के बाद एक कोई इंसान के अंदर ऐसी मति आती है कि वो मेरे पास आता है. ओके, so just to be again from English perspective, after many births and deaths, after struggling for many lifetimes, Lord Krishna is telling Arjuna that a person then becomes favorable for the process of Krishna consciousness, and then he comes to me. He understands me to be the cause of all causes, and he says, the last line he says, such a soul is very rare. सह महात्मा सु दुर्लभ. ऐसा महान आदमी, ऐसा महात्मा दुर्लभ है. Very rare. You see, now today is a Friday, right? There are so many lakhs of people, millions of people in Melbourne. So how many are here for Bhagavad Gita class, and how many are listening and chanting to the holy names of Lord Krishna? बहुत दुर्लभ है ना. We are amongst those very few. So Lord Krishna is telling here, many births and deaths के बाद ऐसा कोई आता है जो वासुदेव इज नेम ऑफ कृष्णा, जो वासुदेव के प्रति समर्पण करता है, जो वासुदेव को टॉप मोस्ट मानता है, ऐसा आत्मा दुर्लभ है. सो ऐसे ही देर आर वेरियस सच नाइस वर्सेस इन भगवद गीता वेयर लॉर्ड एक्सप्लेन्स हाउ टू लीड दिस ह्यूमन लाइफ. ओके, so we will now continue with our last week's topic. And what was that last week's topic that we were discussing? Who can tell? Yes?
We said we'll finish karma and get into bhakti.
Yes. So last week we were discussing about karma, and yes, we were discussing about the cycle of karma. Correct. So how many topics Bhagavad Gita has? So let us just do a bit of revision because there are new people also. They will get on to that boat. So how many topics Bhagavad Gita discusses in general? 5 topics. कौन से 5 topics है वो? जीवा. थोड़ा धीरे so first is जीवा. जीवा means who am I? हम कौन है? फिर second ईश्वर. Who is God? Who is भगवान? Then प्रकृति मतलब क्या? नेचर मतलब मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि मेरा स्वभाव भी तो नेचर है ना. एंड देन वन इज धरती माँ, मटेरियल नेचर. सो देर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ नेचर. इट कवर्स बोथ. कि व्हाट इज मटेरियल नेचर एंड व्हाट इज माई नेचर और आवर नेचर ऑल्सो, इफ यू लाइक, राइट. So 3 modes of material nature, that covers everything. Okay, so 3 topics covered till now. Who am I? Ishvara, Jiva, Ishvara, Prakriti. Then the 4th topic is Kal, time. है ना, when we see that रामायण महासागर, वो कौन सा सीरियल था? मैं काल हूँ. Starts with that. महाभारत. Yes, मैं काल हूँ. So Krishna says I am time. Okay, और 5th is karma. Karma means action and its reaction. Okay, so we are discussing karma since the past few weeks. I think even before I came, Madhanand Prabhu also discussed karma, isn't it? And then I think I just took it from there. okay. Give me 1 minute before I Shift F5. Acha. So today we are also going to see something related to karma. It is called as Vedic cosmology. But before I reach that stage, I will just do a quick revision of what we have discussed. Okay. So this Prakriti, जब भी बोलते हैं, this entire material world is just 1/4 of the creation of the entire world, if you like. Spiritual cosmos जो बोलते हैं ना, पूरा cosmos जो भी है, तो material world एक छोटा सा भाग है, बाकी सब spiritual world है. Everything else is spiritual world. Material world is a small. If we really had to do a division, then we can say it is 1/4. Okay, 1/4 of the entire thing. But actually, it is limitless. As a spiritual world is limitless, so you can't put a distance or a name on it or a size on it. Okay. And so we also discussed that why are we in this material world? This material world is a prison. Krishna says in the scriptures, ये दुखालयम और अशाश्वतम है. Dukhalayam means place of misery. Ashashvatam means temporary, which means it is going to be destroyed. So we will see that. Okay. And then we are part of this material world. Why we are here? Because we are given a facility to correct ourselves and get back to the Lord. Okay. कोई भी prison में किसी को डालते हैं चोर उचक्के को, तो it is a program given for him to सुधरवा himself. सुधर जाएगा और वापस ट्रैक पे आ जाएगा, right? And so according to our karmas, we are given a certain type of body. Okay. And then we discussed what are those different types of bodies. So इसमें क्या दिया था? Provides the soul with the body in 84 lakh species of life, right? So there are 84 lakh different species of life. 84 लाख योनिया बोलते हैं ना. There are 84 lakhs different species of life. Oh, Priya Mataji is here today. The one who doesn't understand Hindi. Mataji, our Mataji is here. That Tamil. She did not come. Yeah, because I was very specific. So she doesn't understand Hindi. So okay, all right, no problem. I'll do English today. So we are all bounded in 84 lakh species of life by the Prakriti material nature. We are bounded by the three modes of material nature: Rajogun, Tamogun and Sattvagun. Okay. So classification of species देख लेते हैं. There is a shlok in the Vishnu Puran. There is this Jalajanava Lakshani Sthavara Laksha Vimshati Kramayo Rudra Sankhyanam Pakshinam Dasha Lakshanam Trimsal Lakshani Pashavaha Chatur Lakshani Manushaha. Last वाला Chatur Lakshani, लक्ष्य म्हणजे लाख, हाँ, मनुष्य. तो ये विष्णु पुराण में विष्णु जी गरुड़ जी के साथ विष्णु जी की बात चल रही है विष्णु पुराण में. सो ही इज नाउ एक्सप्लेनिंग एवरीथिंग हियर. जलजानव लक्षाणी. सो वी विल सी द किधर है जलजानव लक्षाणी, वाटर बेस्ड. नाउ इट इज कम टू द ऑस्ट्रेलियन मोड. 0.9 मिलियन. ओके. स्थावरा मतलब प्लांट्स एंड ट्रीज 2 मिलियंस. ओके, 20 लाख. क्रमयो मतलब रेप्टाइल्स 1.1 मिलियन. पक्षी नाम बर्ड्स 1 मिलियन 10 लाख. पाशवा एनिमल्स 3 मिलियन 30 लाख. और मनुष्य 0.4 मिलियन 4 लाख. ऐसे तो टोटल करते तो 84 लाख डिफरेंट स्पीशीज ऑफ लाइफ में जो श्री कृष्ण भगवान कृष्ण जो बोल रहे हैं. सेकेंड श्लोका में जब भी हमने किया ना, थर्ड श्लोका में आज का, बहुनाम जन्म नाम अंते. आफ्टर मेनी लाइफ टाइम्स इन गोइंग थ्रू दिस 84 लाख योनिया, हाँ, घूम रहे हैं हम 84 लाख योनि में. ऐसे अनेक मिलियंस, ऐसे करोड़ों बर्थ के बाद मनुष्य जन्म मिलता है. और मनुष्य जन्म मिलने के बाद हम वॉलेट में कृष्णा कॉन्शियस वाले ऐसी एक जगह में आते हैं. ये बहुत बड़ी बात है, कि जब भी हमको ये समझेगा, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम एंड द sheer amount of luck, if you so call, that you are here and we are here and discussing Krishna Katha. Okay, so that is why I just want to take a step back and reiterate that this is not a simple thing. In the holy month of Purushottam, we have did the Kirtan of the Lord. In the holy month of Purushottam, we have did one full round of chanting of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and now we are discussing Bhagavad Gita. So it is a very, very auspicious thing in our life. Just by participating in this thing, you are progressing so much. We all are progressing so much in our spiritual wealth, if you like. Okay, all right. So let's get to, बहुत ज़्यादा है ये सब, जाएंगे तो भूल जाएंगे. Someday we will cover other things. Right now I just want to come to, okay, karma. So last time what all we discussed? We started last time with a question कि if I do good, will good happen to me, है ना? We started with a question, if I do good, will good happen to me? Is it necessary that only good will happen to me? नहीं, जरूरी नहीं है. Most of the times अच्छा हो सकता है, but बुरा भी हो सकता है. And what example did we took from the scriptures? हाँ, नृगा महाराज का एग्जाम्पल लिया था. What happened with नृगा महाराज? कौन शॉर्ट में बताएगा?
He gave cows.
So Nriga Maharaj was a devotee. Nriga Maharaj believed in doing lots of donation. अच्छा करूँगा, है ना, वो वाले कैटेगरी में आते थे कि मुझे अच्छा करना है. तो नृगा महाराज गेव लॉट्स ऑफ डोनेशन ऑफ काउस. फिर क्या हुआ प्रॉब्लम? व्हाट हैपेंड? हाँ, बाय मिस्टेक नृगा महाराज गेव द सेम काउ टू 2 डिफरेंट ब्राह्मणास. ही डिड नॉट इंटेंड टू, बट गलती से मिस्टेक हो गया. तो क्या हुआ फिर आगे? हाँ, he had to suffer the reaction for it. गलती से मिस्टेक होने की वजह से he had to suffer a reaction for it. And when he went to after his death, when he went to Yamraj, he was given a choice कि पहले सफ़र करोगे कि पहले enjoy करोगे स्वर्ग में जाके. Then he chose to suffer, and that because of the suffering he got a body of a reptile, lizard में. कृमयो रुद्र वो था ना, रेप्टाइल्स का देखा था, रेप्टाइल स्पीशीज में उसको भेज दिया. ठीक है. जनरली व्हेन फ्रॉम अ लॉ ऑफ कर्मा पर्सपेक्टिव, इफ यू गेट डिग्रेडेड इनटू अ एनिमल किंगडम, देन इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट द इमीडिएट नेक्स्ट बर्थ आफ्टर एनिमल किंगडम विल बी अगेन ह्यूमन स्पीशीज. सम शास्त्रिक एग्जाम्पल्स आर देयर, कि भरत महाराज का हमने एग्जाम्पल दिया था कि आफ्टर अ डियर बॉडी ही इमीडिएटली गॉट अनदर ह्यूमन बॉडी. And in this particular case, after a lizard body, Nriga Maharaj again got a body of a devata. But सबके केस में जरूरी नहीं है. Generally it is said once you degrade into the animal kingdom, then you pass through a natural cycle of that entire species till the time you come to a human species. Okay, so it is very, very dangerous. So Srila Prabhupada always used to tell that, you know, the most as a practicing devotee or as a human, we must all fear of going back into the animal kingdom. वो सबसे बड़ा डर हम सब में होना चाहिए कि हम ऐसा कोई एक्शन ना करें हमारी ज़िंदगी में जिसके वजह से हम जो ह्यूमन शरीर है उसको हम गंवा बैठे, उसको हम छोड़ दें. हैं. सो in our journey of life we are in a lift. So from a human birth the lift can go up or the lift can go down. Okay, and that we will see in this particular escape. So I have a PPT for that. So from this human birth we can go up or we can go down, and we will see that. So today as in relation to this law of karmas that we were discussing, we are going to discuss this the structure of our universe. Okay, this is also called as Vedic cosmology, but Vedic cosmology is a very, very deep subject. We are going to have a bird's eye view today of just how our universe is made. Okay, so कॉस्मोस और यूनिवर्स को हिंदी में क्या, संस्कृत में क्या बोलते हैं? ब्रह्मांड। ब्रह्मांड, अंड मतलब क्या? एग, है ना? अंड मतलब एग, अंडकोश। इट इज नॉट ओनली मराठी वर्ड, इट इज अ संस्कृत, अंडकोश, है ना? अंड मतलब एग, कि हमारा जो यूनिवर्स है ऐसे एग की तरह रहता है। तो व्हेन आई सेड अर्लियर कि मैंने बोला था ना कि हमारा जो मटेरियल वर्ल्ड है 1/4 है। आवर मटेरियल वर्ल्ड इज 1/4 ऑफ द entire spiritual and the material world, if you so like. Okay, and in this material world there are millions of universes. It is described in शास्त्र, millions of universes है, और हर यूनिवर्स ये एक, इसको कौन सा बीज बोलते हैं? मस्टर्ड सीड को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? राई बोलते हैं, मराठी में सरसों भी बोलते हैं, सरसों। ये सरसों का जब भी अगर कोई एक गोनी लेके आया सरसों का, इफ आई गेट अ बैग ऑफ मस्टर्ड सीड, बिग बैग, 10-15 kg का बैग लेके आऊँगा मैं, एंड हाउ मेनी मस्टर्ड सीड्स विल बी इन देयर? वी कांट काउंट, राइट? इट विल मिलियंस, बिलियंस, आई डोंट नो. So that way there are so many universes, okay, in this entire cosmos, if you like, and we are in one of that mustard seed. Okay, हमारा universe एक mustard seed है. तो now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one mustard seed and I'm going to keep it under the microscope and zoom it. Okay, once I do that, then this is what I see. अंदर का एक मस्टर्ड सीड के अंदर. ओके, नाउ वी आर लुकिंग इनसाइड वन मस्टर्ड सीड. सो इट्स अ बर्ड्स आई व्यू. ओके, सो वी विल सी ऑल ऑफ दैट पार्ट लेटर. अभी बीच में वन यूनिवर्स दिख रहा है ना, वन यूनिवर्स, उसके ऊपर हम लोग थोड़ा सा फोकस करेंगे. सो देर आर वेरियस यूनिवर्सेस एंड देन वी हैव नाउ जूम्ड इनटू वन यूनिवर्स. अभी ये वन यूनिवर्स के आउटर शेल्फ है ना, ये सब ऐसा कलर दिख रहा है ना, आउटर शेल्फ, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा देखते हैं. ओके, सो आई हैव जूम्ड इन फर्दर. दिस इज द आउटर कवरिंग ऑफ आवर यूनिवर्स. हम ब्रह्मांड में एक है, वी आर विद इन वन ब्रह्मांड. इट इज लाइक एक्स शेप. ओके, सो देर आर दीज 10, देर आर दीज वेरियस 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are actually 10 coverings. We can see 8 here. Bhumir, Apo, Nalo, Vayu, Khama, Buddhir, Evacha. So the way it is earth wall है ना, it is the first wall around the universe is 10 times the diameter of the universe. The diameter of universe is calculated in terms of yojana. It is Sanskrit terminology, it's a metric unit, Sanskrit unit to calculate. One yojana is approximately around 8 miles. ऐसा तो योजनाज में बात होती है इसके अंदर. हाँ, तो the first wall around the universe, earth लिखा है, it is 10 times the diameter of the universe. So the second wall is then 10 times the thickness of the first layer. ऐसा एक एक बढ़ते जाता है, 10 times ऐसा करके बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर वो it becomes too thick. Okay, so and where it is, this is given? This is given in Bhagavad Gita 7.4. कि बोलते भगवान कृष्ण, भूमिरापो नलो वायु खम मनो बुद्धिरेव च अहंकार इति अम्मे भिन्न प्रकृतिर अष्टदा. माता जी, कैन यू रीड द ट्रांसलेशन? अर्थ वाटर,
fire,
air, ether,
air, ether, mind,
intelligence
and false ego, all together these 8
constitute
my
separated. अच्छा, आपके सामने माइक आ रहा है, वो आ रहा है. हाँ, ठीक है. सो अर्थ, वाटर, फायर, एयर, ईथर, माइंड, इंटेलिजेंस एंड फॉल्स ईगो, ऑल दीज टुगेदर कंस्टिट्यूट माई सेपरेटेड मटेरियल एनर्जीज. भगवान कृष्ण बोलते कि ये सारे अलग अलग मेरी एनर्जीज है. एंड द यूनिवर्स का कोटिंग भी जो है ना, उसके यही वॉल्स है. ओके, it's a technical thing, just for your understanding. FYI करके समझ लो, okay? So that you understand that what our universe का outer covering क्या है. It is very very difficult to intercept that and go out of this universe. Okay. Okay. Now we are further zooming in. Okay. ये दिख रहा है क्या? ये बराबर नहीं दिख रहा है नहीं. Okay. So this is one universe. Now there are, if you see in between, na, I'm going to further go inside now, so that it will be a bit more clear to you. कैसा करें? What if I do this? Is this any better? Somehow when it comes here, it becomes very distorted. Can you all see this? Yes. Control minus, bit better than before, yeah? Yes. So from top to bottom here, there are total 14 planetary systems. 14 planetary systems. I am not talking 14 planets, I am talking planetary. प्रभु जी सब बैठो ना इधर, ऐसे खड़े रह रहे, ऐसे थोड़ा इधर बैठ जाओ यार. वो किचन वाले को उधर नहीं तो किचन पे काम पे लगा देंगे आप सबको. बैठ जाओ. 14 planetary systems और हाँ, so I was saying planetary systems, not planets. One planetary system is made up of millions of planets in it. All right? Because is Saurabh Prabhu here today? Saurabh Prabhu आए क्या? नहीं प्रभु आज काम पे गए. उन्हें लास्ट टाइम पूछा था कोई क्वेश्चन इसी के रिलेटेड. I was that's what motivated me to get this class today. Yeah, so where are we here? 14 planetary systems में we are in the centermost planetary system, middle planetary system. ये दिख रहा है ना इधर. So there are higher planets, there is a middle planetary system, and then there are lower planetary systems. Okay. Earth is part of the middle planetary system. We are in the middle planetary system. There are various other planets. Earth एक बीच में planet है और हम उस Earth के अंदर है. Okay. वो मिडल प्लैनेटरी सिस्टम को बोलते हैं भूरलोका. भूरलोका. ओके. सो अर्थ इज इन मिडल. अबव देर आर 6 and below there are 7 planetary systems. Okay. So based on the karma that we do, क्योंकि this is all related to the karma and I'm just going to link that topic here. हम लोग कर्मा डिस्कस कर रहे, राइट? सो बेस्ड ऑन द कर्मा दैट वी डू, वी गेट टू toggle between these various planetary systems. Okay, so when we are in the human body, our lift right now is on that earth planetary system. वहाँ पे रुकी हुई है. If we do good, we can go to the higher planetary systems after this life. If we do something incorrect, then there are other planetary systems where we may have to suffer. Okay, incorrect. अगर भक्ति की तो धीरे धीरे ऊपर जा सकते हैं, भक्ति नहीं की तो नीचे जा सकते हैं. Okay, कुछ भी हो सकता है इसमें. So there is no exact rule that I can say कि ऐसा के तो ऐसा ही होगा. But I got my mouse here. Okay, so we'll just keep on zooming that because I think that's the best thing you can see. Topmost is Satyalok. It is Lord Brahma's abode. So Satya, Tapa, Jana, Mahar, Swar, Bhuvar. Okay. So Bhur, second is Bhuvar Loka. What is the third one is Swarga Loka, Swar. What is the Gayatri mantra? अच्छा उधर देख के बोलना. एक मिनट है, बीच में आ गया अभी. ओम, फिर बीच वाला क्या है? ओम, भूर, सेकेंड भूवर, थर्ड स्वर. ओके, so even our mantras are related to this. Okay, so what I am saying is these planetary systems are also invoked in various mantras. So in one of the Gayatri mantras also, when we say that the first 3 words, it is these planetary systems that we are talking about. Okay, we are not discussing the the exact meaning of Gayatri Mantra here, but all I'm trying to point out is that the first 3 words, we are invoking this planetary, they are mentioned there, okay. So,
Bhur is earth.
हाँ.
Swa is Swarg.
भूर इज अर्थ, बीच में वाला जो है ना, और भूअर इज अनदर प्लानिटरी सिस्टम अबव द अर्थ, ऐसे, ओके. सो नाउ व्हाट इज द मोस्ट कॉमन थिंग हियर? The most common thing here is there is birth and death in all of these planetary systems. Because last time somebody asked कि अच्छा अगर स्वर्ग में चले गया तो मुझे मुक्ति मिल गई क्या? बहुत लोगों को ऐसे लगता है that if I go to स्वर्ग then मुक्ति मिल गई. No, it is not the case. Okay, so when your lift goes above, you get to go to those higher planets. Okay, but you are not necessarily free. In fact, you are not free. You are not free of what? Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadi. Birth, disease, old age, death is everywhere. In this entire Brahmanda, birth, disease, old age is everywhere, no matter which planet you go. Okay. So what is the Krishna consciousness theme? Is to get out of the cycle of birth, disease, old age and death. Okay. And that is what we are learning, how to get out of that cycle. Okay.
Is there an order, or what is the order representative?
Order of what?
The Bhur, Bhuvar, Swarga, Mahaloka. Like I'm seeing 7 sages are above 10
Yeah.
gods.
Yes.
What does that really mean?
Yes. So we will see कि upper planetary system में क्या होता है. Okay. So I'll just हाँ. So जो upper planetary system है, let me just get here, shift F5. So this is the upper planetary, upper part. Okay. अर्थ के ऊपर वाले लोगों के बारे में डिस्कस कर सकते हैं हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत, कि अर्थ के ऊपर जो है अभी भूअर लोक, राक्षस और घोस्ट वहाँ पे रहते हैं. फिर स्वर्गलोक है, स्वर्गलोक वी विल डिस्कस. स्वर्गलोक इज वेयर लॉर्ड इंद्रा इज स्टेइंग विथ वेरियस अदर देवी देवतास. ओके.
I mean, is ghosts are better than?
No, that is why I said there is no hierarchy as such. But yeah, it's a generic thing. It's a generic thing. You're right. It's a generic thing. Bhuvar Loka, because just above the realm of earth, you will find the ghostly bodies there. Okay. Mostly when people who are not into spiritual practices or people who don't read anything about scriptures, they will हम भूत वूत में नहीं मानते. Okay. But then there is a planetary system with millions of planets dedicated just for that, Rakshasas, Bhoots, Pishach, जो भी है. So they are all in as part of that. So they are the closest to the earthly realm. Okay. That is why ghosts and other things can easily approach us, and then you can do that. But anyway, not to scare you all, but people who are spiritually charged, ghosts, goblins, or whatever, they are not going to come and touch you at all, because they don't have that power. When anyone who is chanting the Mahamantra, anyone who is wearing the Kanthi Mala, or anyone who is doing the Hanuman Chalisa or any other things, no ghost goblin can come. Okay. So we will now focus on to the Swargaloka. Okay. So from a karma perspective, we were saying that, let's say that King Nriga, he gave so many donations of cows and all. Okay. Then he got various pious credits. Now as part of those pious credits, so much pious credits he had amassed that human body is not good enough to spend that credit. So then we get a promotion. So we get to go to heavenly planets to spend that credit. Because human body is slow as compared to various other planetary systems. हम सबसे slow में हैं और इतना facilities we don't have on earth. So when you get that kind of a piety, then you have to spend it, और spend करने के लिए फिर you have to be sent to Swargaloka. So we get a special a demigod body where we are promoted to Swargaloka, and then we get to enjoy various things. Okay. It is like somebody is working in a multinational company. Let's say they have to sell insurances, for example, and then they sell millions of dollars worth of insurances, and then the boss calls and let's say, Ashish, you have done fantastic job. I am giving you a trip to Switzerland with full family. You go to Switzerland for 1 month, paid trip. Now, how Ashish Prabhu will be so nice. Wow. So, he is going to go to Switzerland. Now, what his entire aim in Switzerland is, in 1 month, he has to spend that entire amount of credit that the company has given. मजा करो. 1 month के बाद क्या होगा? वापस कंपनी में सुबह आके 9 बजे, यस सर आई एम बैक, थैंक यू, है ना, वापस आना पड़ेगा, राइट. सो दिस हेवनली ट्रिप और स्वर्गलोका is a similar trip. Okay, so if anyone does lots of piety which is not good enough to be consumed in a human body, then we get a promotion to go to Swargaloka, and where there are Swargaloka, both the enjoyment is 10,000 times more than whatever we can see. So there are some, these are some tips where we can see. एक एक करके पढ़ना है इसको. प्रभु जी आप पढ़े इसको, पढ़ सकते हैं. हाँ पढ़ो, जोर से पढ़ना.
King Indra's city was full of pleasing orchards and gardens, such as the
Nandanandana
Nandana
garden.
garden, because of the weight of the flowers, leaves, and fruits. The branches of
branches of the
eternally existing trees were bending down. The gardens were visited by pairs of chirping birds and singing bees. The entire atmosphere was
celestial. हाँ,
celestial.
मैंने ना, I have given a quotation of where this is from. So this is not from anywhere. This is Srimad Bhagavatam. SB stands for Srimad Bhagavatam. 8 stands for the canto number. 15 stands for the chapter number, and 12 stands for the verse number. तो सारे scriptures में दिया हुआ है. Can you do the 13th one and then you pass behind? Then you pass behind to somebody who can see. रानी को दे दो. हाँ दे दो, 13 को दे दो. बोलो.
Beautiful women protected by the demigods sported in the garden, which had lotus ponds full of swans, cranes,
चक्रवाकास and duck.
and ducks.
एक टाइप ऑफ बर्ड है ऐसे. नेक्स्ट वाला कोई पढ़े. तो वी आर डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ स्वर्ग.
The city was surrounded by benches full of Ganges water, known
Akashganga.
Akashganga, and by a high wall, which was the color of fire. Upon this wall were parapets for fighting.
और नेक्स्ट करो.
The doors were made of solid gold plates, and the gates were of excellent marble. These were linked by various public roads. The entire city had been constructed by Vishwakarma.
Vishwakarma. So the heavenly architect, the architect of the lords is Vishwakarma. There is also a jati or a caste called Vishwakarma Panchal. So they are good constructors. क्या हो गया इसको?
Maybe turned off.
नहीं हो गया.
I think you need to turn it on again. Energy saving.
क्या करना है इसको, कुछ वो बीच में अगर करने रहे तो मेरे को देके मैं कर देता हूँ यहाँ से. वॉल्यूम अप डाउन करना है क्या उसको? हाँ चालू हो गया, ठीक है. अच्छा नेक्स्ट. हाँ नेक्स्ट करो, कोई पढ़ो.
The city was full of courtyards, wide roads, assembly houses, and not less than 100 million airplanes. The crossroads were made of pearl, and there were sitting places made of diamond and coral.
और जल्दी करो फटाफट.
Everlastingly beautiful and youthful women who were dressed with clean garments glittered in the city like fire with flames. They all possessed the quality of Shyama.
So if we have one of the best heroines here, then the Apsaras will be 100 to the power. They are so beautiful then, extremely beautiful. So if one of the Menkas were to come here, then all the men will just fall for it. There is no way you can stop. I am telling the reality. There is no way. Even the women will be also after कि इतना सुंदर कैसे कोई हो सकता है. Okay. So the quality of life entirely is completely different in the Swargaloka, and that is why many people desire to go to Swargaloka. Many people desire to go to Swargaloka and enjoy like the way Indra is enjoying. Huh? Sorry, yes, what's the question? What is the success rate? Yeah. Good question. Okay.
What does that mean? Like,
It is fairly look, if you do a lot of piety, then the success rate is pretty high. Actually, it is said that if you fail in Krishna consciousness, like if you are struggling very hard, and but if you are trying to do Krishna consciousness, but you are not up to that mark, you don't have that much of bhakti, but then you have collected so much piety, then you may get to go to Svargaloka to spend that piety.
come back and start all over.
Then इसलिए करना है तो ठीक से करो. So yeah, okay. Okay, I think we'll fast forward this. So there are so many nice things said about let's see the last one. कौन last पढ़ा? No one who was
sinful, envious, violent towards other living entities, cunning, falsely proud, lusty of greedy could enter that city. The people who lived there were all devoid of this force.
Yes. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Okay. So this is the upper planetary system that we were discussing about. Okay. So now, so above Svargaloka. So we understand the concept of Svargaloka, everyone. Our aim is not to go to Svarga, because if we go to Svarga, then we will have to again come back. We will get to enjoy a lot, but we will again have to come back. And when we discuss time, we have 5 subject matters, right? We have not yet discussed time. So when we discuss time, then at that time I will tell you why it is a big problem, even though you get to enjoy there. But from a time perspective, we would have spent a lot of time there in Svargaloka. Svargaloka's time goes very slow, okay? And the time on earth is slow. So earth's 1 year is Svargaloka's 1 day, okay? So if you get 100 years in Svargaloka, then you can do the math. You are going to spend a lot of time in Svarga, and by the time you come back again to Kalyug, Kalyug would have progressed many thousands of years ahead. Then it will become into a Ghor Kalyug, and Ghor Kalyug is going to be very, very dangerous. Now only we can see that the temples are getting destroyed and things are getting, yes, Rani?
So
Yeah.
like, in Svargaloka, they don't get moksha by doing
No.
good things.
No, that is why I made clear that all of these planetary systems, you can't escape. There are few small things here and there. As you go higher, we will see that you can't get the bhakti to the Lord. It is very, very difficult. Okay, maybe 0.1% here and there out of that entire thing. But we are talking of the masses now. That it's not possible, because the amount of all the other planetary systems are to spend your karma. Bhurloka, or Bhurloka, the earth planet, is a karma bhumi. Okay, so here we make action and collect a reaction, but all other places are to spend that money, that what we have collected. तो ऊपर जाके कलेक्शन नहीं होता, ऊपर जाके you are enjoying, you are spending whatever benefit you have collected. Only Bhurloka is karma bhumi. That is why when you see in some of the serials, the Narad Muni is telling to somebody, मैं ना कर्म भूमि जाके या मृत्यु लोक में जाके आता हूँ. They tell that way कि इधर जाके भी उधर जाऊँगा तो फिर then I will collect some reactions, ऐसे. So Bhurloka, but at the same time Bhurloka is the only place from where you can exit this Brahmanda. Okay, that we will see in the classes too.
What about these demigods like Indra? He is spending so much time there.
Yes, बहुत मजा कर रहा हूँ. बहुत मजा कर रहा है.
When he will come back to the
When he is coming back. So when we discuss the demigods, so we will touch that topic. But all these the various demigods are posts. जैसे प्राइम मिनिस्टर जैसे कोई ना एक let's say what is Indradev managing? He is managing he is managing, let's say he has water. Let's say there is Agnidev, he is managing water. So water department एक post है, water minister एक post है. You can become eligible for that post by doing certain things within your constituency, and then all the constituency okay भाई इसको आगे बढ़ाओ, ये अच्छा है minister, and then the prime minister selects you in his cabinet. So all these are various posts.
So the
Okay.
Svargaloka's population is not 33 million. It's just 33 million posts.
Different Devi Devatas, and then that post is occupied by a living entity like us, a soul. The body is different. Demigod की body है, which has various ways of high enjoyment. Okay, so that is a post. So that particular living entity had that desire to enjoy that, and the Lord fulfills, allows everyone. Lord doesn't force कि सबको मुझे ही प्यार करना है, जरूरी नहीं है. He said you have your own free will. Okay, so it is said that if you do 100 lifetimes without doing any sin, then you will qualify for the post of Brahma, topmost way. Then you will get to create things within your own Brahmand. We are now, some people may be managers, some people may be IT this, they may be controlling some small teams within Melbourne, some people may be controlling some small teams in India or somewhere in the US, 2-3 teams manage कर रहे होंगे, कोई बड़ी कंपनी मैनेज कर रहा होगा. Let's say that Bill Gates or whoever is that Microsoft, Satya or whoever, so he is managing the entire Microsoft. But can you imagine Brahma? Planetary systems, billions of planets in each system, वो सबको manage कर रहा है. What somebody had a high desire to plan, control and do this, and the Lord fulfills that desire. But still, Narendra Modi is Narendra Modi. He has delegated many things to Amit Shah, but then sometimes he comes and he gives the thing. So there are various ministers under his portfolio. That is how the demigod things work. Okay, but we'll go in detail when we discuss demigods. Yes, what is your question?
I'm going to ask this question in Hindi that will make it easy for me to really
bolo.
say what I want to say. This system, I got it. This is a very new concept to me. So my question is, again, my question is, do anyone who moves from Earth to the other planet system, if they do any sins, do they have to pay for those sins? Because we are saying here, they're going to spend their good deeds there. So, but if you're doing an action, so action should always have two reactions, good or bad. So if someone does any sins in those planetary systems, how they get?
So what happens is, in these other planetary systems, there is no sin as per se, because you are not doing an action and a reaction kind of a thing. That happens only in Bhurloka, but there you can make some mistakes. So in Swargaloka, if somebody makes a mistake, then he is sent temporarily to वो भुगतान करने के लिए उनको कभी-कभी भूरलोका पे आना पड़ता है. जब वेरियस स्टोरीज भी सी कि कोई डैमसेल है स्वर्गलोका में, कुछ किया तो उनको टेम्पररी यहाँ भेजते हैं, वो करके वापस जाते हैं वहाँ पे. बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दे हैव बीन सेंट टू स्वर्गलोका टू वो पाप भोगने के लिए, वैसा नहीं है. ठीक है, इट्स देयर इज अ सटल डिफरेंस इन दैट. I don't know if I'm able to make you.
वहाँ पर गलती करना मुश्किल है.
हाँ, क्योंकि when the last part that we read was that पागलपन जो है ना, greed, anger, lust, pride, वो सब वहाँ पे नहीं होता. So you are at a very different platform. The devatas are at a very clear platform. But of course, the Lords के वजह से Indra will have his little bit of क्या बोलते हो उसको, घ्रूर आ जाएगा उसको, वो टेम्पररी ईगो आ जाएगा जिसके कुछ गड़बड़ करेगा. बट वो उसका एक्शन रिएक्शन और हमारा एक्शन रिएक्शन अलग है. हम ये कर्म भूमि में है, वो तो इंदिरा बन के ऑलरेडी वो बहुत अच्छे कर्म करके वहाँ पे स्पेंड करने को गया है. वो करते करते कुछ गड़बड़ कर लिया तो उसको टेम्पररी उसको सज़ा मिलेगा. बट इट इज़ नॉट लाइक द वे वी हैव कि हमको प्रॉब्लम होता है. सो इट्स बिट डिफरेंट. ओके, और
अभी क्या जैसे वी आर इन दिस लोका, तो यहाँ पर ये मार्क्स वाला सिस्टम हो गया. अगर आपके 99 मार्क्स आए तो यू गो टू दैट टपोलोका
100%. यस,
पर भगवान के पास जाएं जिसको मोक्ष बोलते हैं, उसके लिए तो फिर बहुत टफ जर्नी हो गया ना.
हाँ,
निकलने के लिए
हाँ, मोक्ष का में कैसे करना है वो पहले बताते हैं, वो बाद में बताते हैं. पहले अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कि मोक्ष के अलावा क्या क्या है, बिकॉज वी आर ऑल हियर ना. हम लोग इसी इसमें है. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि अच्छा फॉर एग्जांपल दीक्षित जी स्वर्गवासी हो गए. अरे आपको क्या पता स्वर्गवासी हुए कि नहीं हुए, कोई नीचे प्लानिटरी सिस्टम ही है ना, अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं. सो दैट्स वेयर लेट्स गेट दैट कंसेप्ट क्लियर. ओके, कि क्या है प्लानिटरी सिस्टम. व्हेन यू गो आउट टुडे, ये प्लानिटरी सिस्टम्स क्लियर होने चाहिए. ओके, ऑल लेट्स मूव, क्योंकि काफ़ी स्लाइड्स है मेरे पास तो समय नहीं मिलेगा फिर. फिर उसके ऊपर क्या था,
महालोका.
हाँ, महारलोका था. राइट, पीछे जाते एक बार. स्वर्गलोक के ऊपर महारलोका है. व्हाट इज द महारलोका? हु कैन रीड क्विकली? I want somebody who can read clear and fast.
In the
One with the mic, yeah.
In the 11th planetary system, Maharloka, thousands of sages perform huge fire sacrifices to Yagneshwar or Krishna. Yagneshwar, shining with the light of millions of suns, appears from the fire and accepts the offerings with his transcendental hands, giving it back as prasadam. These sages are the Prajapatis, the son of Brahma, Bhragumuni, Pulka, Angira, Marichi, Pulastya, etc. The glory and perfections are millions of times better than in the Divya Swargaloka, where the demigods live. No rivalries experienced here, unlike in all the other planets below.
Fantastic. So you keep the mic with you. You can continue reading that. So महरलोका के बारे में हमने देखा. Now अभी हम लोग देख रहे हैं जनलोक एंड तपलोक. Okay. So ये I'm just going to go back. महरलोक है, महरलोक के ऊपर जनलोक, तपलोक, 2 प्लानिटरी सिस्टम्स हम लोग कवर कर रहे हैं. So that just to get an idea कि कौन क्या हो रहा है उसके अंदर. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
In Janaloka and Tapaloka are Nestiki brahmacharis, lifelong celibates, and Vanprasthas renunciates who retire from family life, but who, in their married life, have followed the rules of the holy scriptures. They live as yogis in a solitary place and meditate on Lord Narayana in their heart. The bliss and the qualities of matter are millions of times bigger than on Maharloka. As one goes to the higher levels in the universe, above the Bhumandala, each higher level is, like all other planetary systems, parallel to the orbit of the sun. The Satya Guna quality of the material energy becomes stronger and more intense. The smells, colors, and the other senses objects are of an increasingly better, higher quality. They are also different in that they are not accessible to the gross senses, but only to the subtle senses.
Okay. All right. Good. And last one, Brahmaloka. Yes, go ahead.
Above Tapaloka is Brahmaloka. Lord Brahma shines with golden light because everything there is made of buddhi, intelligence. Nearby there is a Vaikunt planet where Brahma worships Narayana. Brahma touches his hands and glorifies him. Narada Muni sings and dances. Sometimes Brahma goes to his own planet, Brahmaloka, to fulfill his duties in managing the universe.
Perfect. Okay. So we have covered now upper planetary systems जहाँ पे अलग-अलग levels के लोग रहते हैं. As we have just got a gist of it. We are doing a bird's eye view. We don't want to do a PhD in every planetary system. We want to do a PhD in how to get out of this Brahmanda. Okay. That is our goal. But it helps to achieve our goal when we get a holistic idea of बाकी लोग क्या कर रहे हैं और उधर जाऊँगा तो मैं कैसा फंसूँगा फिर. Okay. So I'm just going to take a step back. Swarga Loka. Okay. Okay. Bhumi Rapona Lo Vayu. Okay. Now we will go to the lower planetary systems. Okay. तो हमने ऊपर वाला देखा था, अभी हम नीचे वाला सेक्शन देख रहे हैं. We are seeing. So you see this Garbhodaka ocean. Okay. So above the Garbhodaka ocean is the Patal, Pitralok and hellish planets. Okay. So now Pitralok is a place where after death one has to go, and then it's like a waiting room before your next journey is decided कि आगे क्या करना है, which body, which planetary system, किधर जाना है. That decision happens there. So there is a case by case, who is Yamraj Chitragupt. Yeah, so Chitragupt will decide. So there is like a court case. आपका भी number आएगा. तब तक you are in a waiting list. So while you are waiting, you are in Pitralok. So Pitralok can be taught about that. Okay, as so when we do various pindas and other things, then it is primarily for the souls who are trapped in Pitralok. Pitralok में ऐसा तो नहीं है कि बहुत अच्छा treatment देंगे. So when we do certain oblations here, annual oblations, मैंने बोला था ना कि our 1 year is 1 day in these planetary systems. So in the 1 year when that tithi falls of our ancestors' departure, when that whatever that passing on day comes, and then when we offer that oblation, तो पूरे साल में एक बार करते हैं ना food offer, तो वो food then that is you have to understand that is given as some kind of a positive treatment there, that your descendants have sent this. So आ जाओ तुम लाइन में थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ आप. Okay, so they get that thing. So that is why it is very, very important for us to keep on doing what we are doing.
Only for the first year?
All we have to keep on doing because we don't know ना उधर उसका क्या केस है. We don't know, right? So we have to just keep on doing our duty towards our ancestors. Okay.
What is the Pitraloka versus?
हर साल करना चाहिए. हर साल we have to keep on doing.
Like if we don't do so, what's the process?
if you don't do, then they are not getting the benefit, then they have the ability to also curse us. तो वे पितृदोष लग जाता है, फिर पितृदोष लग जाता है फिर कि बिकॉज ये कि इतना बेटे को बड़ा किया, अभी बेटे ने करना चाहिए वो नहीं कर रहा है, तो है ना. सो देन दे गेट दैट थिंग. ऑलराइट, ओके, फास्ट फॉरवर्ड. पितृलोक, और पितृलोक से फिर देन दे कैन अलोकेट. ओके, सो व्हेन चित्रगुप्त कम्स एंड ही सीज एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर कि क्या गड़बड़ किया, क्या अच्छा किया, एंड इवन द सोल इज देयर इन सच अ स्टेट दैट ही विल नॉट डिसीव. वो सब बोलेगा हाँ ये गड़बड़ किया मैंने, ये सब किया, एंड द सोल विल हिमसेल्फ डिसाइड कि क्या पनिशमेंट चाहिए, कि ये बहुत बुरा किया, मैंने इसको मार दिया, आई शुड रिसीव दिस पनिशमेंट, बिकॉज वी आर इन दैट स्पेशल मोड वेयर वी कांट चीट देयर. ओके, हाँ, मतलब वॉट एवर, वी कांट चीट, वी आर इन आवर ट्रू सेंस की, क्योंकि पता है कि हमने सब सामने सामने सब है. So then from there, then there are these hellish planetary system. Okay, so let's say somebody slaps someone, so it's not a big sin, so that punishment can be gotten received in a human body. But let's say somebody does very serious sin, kills many cows and animals and I don't know, does rapes and things and murders people, बहुत हाई क्वांटिटी में किया, जिसमें ह्यूमन बॉडी में एक बॉडी के लिए एक बार सिन देने के बहुत समय जाएगा. देन दे आर सेंट टू द हेलिश प्लैनेटरी सिस्टम, अपग्रेड मिलता है बॉडी में. द वे यू डू गुड पायस एक्टिविटीज, यू गो टू स्वर्गलोका फॉर स्पेंडिंग. सिमिलरली व्हेन यू डू लॉट्स ऑफ सिनफुल एक्टिविटीज, यू गेट अ स्पेशल हेलिश बॉडी टू बी सेंट इन टू हेलिश प्लैनेट्स. ओके, और व्हेन वी गो टू दिस हेलिश प्लैनेट्स, तो उसका फिर स्पेशल बॉडी मिलती है जिसमें वो कॉन्कॉक्टेड डोज दिया जाता है. That way you can spend lifetimes of sins in that one body और भुगत लो फटाफट. ओके, सो एक तरह का फैसिलिटी दिया है. सो these hellish planets जो है, they are, it is said that there are millions of hellish planets. Each planet के अंदर there is a different सजा that is given, a special body is given. इसका सब डिस्क्रिप्शन श्रीमद् भागवतम में है. अगर वो डिस्क्रिप्शन पढ़ेंगे, वो कैंटो 5 में है और चैप्टर 26 में है, तो आप लोग 3-4 दिन के लिए सोएंगे नहीं. आई कैन गारंटी दैट. बट यू कैन नोट इट डाउन, यू कैन रीड एट योर ओन थिंग. 5.26.8, 5 कैंटो 5 चैप्टर 26 वर्स नंबर 8 से लेके आगे फिर 36 तक है. तो थोड़ा थोड़ा डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है हेलिश प्लैनेट्स में कि क्या होता है, कैसे होता है. सिंपल चीज़ें कि तेल में उबालते हैं, तो आप बोलोगे तेल में कैसे उबालते हैं, हम तो जल जाएंगे. अरे स्पेशल बॉडी मिलती है जिसको वो सारी वेदनाएं जो है वो सारी उसको. हाउ वुड यू फील व्हेन आई पिन अ नीडल टू यू, व्हेन आई पोक अ नीडल टू यू. सो 10,000 टाइम्स इनटू दैट वन पोक ऑफ नीडल is the amount of pain that you feel. How you feel enjoyment 10,000 more times in Swarga. Similarly in hellish planets, 10,000 more times of pain you feel. And there is a special body given. The soul experiences all of that pain and it cries and it says, फिर से नहीं करूँगा, मुझे छोड़ो. But ऐसा नहीं होता. He has to go through that because the Jallad or whoever is giving that punishment, they have nothing called as daya. They are just doing their duty and they will then just do it. Generally devotees केस में एक ऐसे जोक बोलते हैं कि मतलब पीपल ना कि बच्चा होता है कि बहुत मैकडोनल्ड्स में बहुत खाया रहता है उसने तो उसको हेलिश प्लैनेट में भेज दिया जाता है और तल रहे उसको तेल में, और मम्मी मम्मी मम्मी, और तो जो जल्लाद है वहाँ पे वो बोल रहा है कि बहुत तूने चिकन विंग्स खाए, बहुत खाया, ये खाया, अभी चल. तो मम्मी मम्मी बोलते हैं चुप. मम्मी मम्मी क्या बोल रहे थे, मम्मी मम्मी जरा चिल्ला मत, मम्मी बाजू वाले कढ़ाई में. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मेक अ लाइट मोमेंट बट इट इज ट्रू. इफ यू डोंट बिलीव मी, 5.26.8. ओके, सम पीपल विल से नाउ कि अच्छा हम ये सब बिलीव नहीं करते. देन व्हाट डू यू कॉल दैट? वी कॉल दैट एज अ ऑस्ट्रिच मेंटालिटी. ऑस्ट्रिच मतलब क्या है? क्या बोलते हैं ऑस्ट्रिच को हिंदी में? ऑस्ट्रिच. व्हेन ऑस्ट्रिच इज फेस्ड विद अ डेंजर, लेट्स अ लायन कम्स विद अबाउट इट, व्हाट विल ऑस्ट्रिच डू? इट विल लाइक हाइड इज थिंग और इट विल वो ऐसा करेगा जब मैं देखा ही नहीं लायन को कि लायन सामने है खाने वाला है, मैं देखा ही नहीं, मैंने नहीं देखा तुझे सो लायन तो खाएगा उसको. सो इफ वी डोंट फॉलो दीज रूल्स वी विल हैव टू मेक द ट्रिप टू द हेलिश प्लैनेट्स. ओके, अच्छा हेलिश के ऊपर प्लैनेट्स जो है ना, अतल वितल सुतल तला तल महातल रसातल, these are also heavenly planets. Okay, they are called bilaswarga or subterranean heavenly planets. इधर के जो heavenly planets है, the enjoyment in these planets is much more than the enjoyment of that top higher planetary system, स्वर्गलोका ये लोका. इधर के जो ये हेवनली प्लैनेट्स है, डिफरेंट प्लैनेट है. जनरली वी हैव अ थिंक दैट नीचे जाएंगे तो गड़बड़ है, बट हाँ एकदम नीचे वाले बॉटम लास्ट अंडरग्राउंड लिफ्ट में जाएंगे ना, लास्ट वाले अंडरग्राउंड फ्लोर में तो प्रॉब्लम है, बट ऊपर वाले ये भी है. देन द क्वेश्चन विल अराइज, ये बिल स्वर्गा जो बोलते हैं, बिल स्वर्गा, तो द क्वेश्चन विल अराइज देन हु गेट्स टू डू, जो भी अच्छा करेगा या तो ऊपर वाले स्वर्ग में जाएगा या तो ये बिल स्वर्ग में आएगा. तो what decides the बिल स्वर्गा एंड ऊपर स्वर्ग. बिल स्वर्गा में कौन रहते हैं यहाँ पे ना, बिल स्वर्गा में डीमंस रहते हैं, दैत्यस, दानवास, नागास, ऐसे रहते. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द कर्मास ऑफ द डीमन दैट दे लिव ऑन द वेरी हाइएस्ट लेवल as far as sensual pleasure and wealth are concerned. Most of the inhabitants of these planets, known as the Daityas, Danavas and Nagas, live in family relationships. They are all, including women, children, friends, relatives, completely immersed in illusory material happiness. Okay? Illusory material happiness. Illusory मतलब? हाँ? हाँ, मतलब कि एक भ्रम में रहते हैं. मतलब रियल है, एक वो रियल है, वो भ्रम नहीं है, वो रियल है, बट एक इंजॉयमेंट करने का एक प्रवृत्ति रहती है ना कि सब कुछ भूल भाल के कि मैं अपने ही दुनिया में हूँ बस, वो वाला है. वैसे वाला, दैट देर इज नथिंग फॉर देम कि बाबा कि शुड आई गेट आउट ऑफ दिस, व्हाट इज द रियल पर्पज ऑफ माई लाइफ, व्हाई एम आई सफरिंग, के is there any better goal other than eating, drinking on Friday night and just enjoying. वो क्वेश्चन नहीं आता उनको, right? Like many of the people on this earth planet. So the demon Maya Danav, a very gifted artist, is the architect of this and has built this city. जैसे विश्वकर्मा है ऊपर, जैसे माया दानव सुना है नाम ने आपने, माया दानव. कोई कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा था, क्या बोल रहे थे? Who is in charge of what? ऐसे it comes under Brahma only. All Brahma is the manager of this entire thing. Swarga has Indra Devti. यहाँ पे माया दानव एक main है who does all these things. Additionally, Maya Danav has made many vimanas in which they can travel throughout the universe. वो भी कर सकते हैं. The leaders of these planets have houses built with very costly jewels. Okay. एंड देर आर वेरियस, बहुत बड़ा बड़ा डिस्क्रिप्शन दिए, अभी टाइम नहीं है सब पढ़ने को. अच्छा, इंपॉर्टेंट बोलता हूँ. द सन डज नॉट शाइन इन दिस अंडरग्राउंड प्लैनेट्स. सो फिर लाइट कहाँ से आती है? so that because the sun does not shine, so the time is not divided into days and night, because on our planet sun आता है तो डे, गया तो रात, है ना. so there is no fear of the passing of time. Great snakes with brilliantly shining jewels in their heads illuminate these places. नागमणि से ये होता है. हम तो पिक्चर में सुनते थे नागमणि, काल्पनिक है, पूरे प्लानिटरी सिस्टम्स है यहाँ पे नागमणि के. The inhabitants of these planets drink and bathe in juices and elixirs of the wonderful things. तो बहुत कुछ दिया है इसके अंदर. You have to read in Srimad Bhagavatam. It is a big fat book. 5.24.8 onwards you can read. ये श्रीमद, हाँ, 5.24.8 to 14 बिल्वा स्वर्ग के बारे में लिखा है. Okay, so then this question should now come to you ना, कि what is the difference between upper and lower heavenly planet, कौन किधर जाएगा. Okay, so there are two types of people who do good, अच्छा करने का, जैसे कौन महाराज नृगा, he wanted to do good, ऐसा. so people who do good but do not have faith in God, and then there are people who do good but have faith in God. So people who do good and have faith in God, they go to the upper heavenly planetary systems. And people who do good, because there are so many people in this Bhur Loka also who don't believe in God at all, but अच्छा करते हैं. बहुत लोग हैं ऐसे जो अच्छा करते हैं, अनेक धर्मशालाएं खोलते हैं, बहुत कुछ है, भगवान से लेना देना नहीं है, मैं मेरा कर्म करूंगा, वो वाले कंसेप्ट में होते हैं. तो दोज पीपल हु डू नॉट बिलीव इन गॉड, दे गेट प्रोमोटेड इन दीज प्लैनेट्स. बहुत इंजॉयमेंट करने को मिलता है, बहुत. भगवान से कोई लेना देना नहीं है ये प्लैनेट में, कोई पूजा, कोई आरती, कोई घंटी नहीं, कुछ नहीं बजेगा, बस मौज करना है, आराम करना है. So that is what it happens. But now somebody will ask this question, that if I am doing good and if I believe in God, then why am I going to upper planetary system? उससे बाहर क्यों नहीं निकल रहा मैं? Okay, correct ना? So then the answer to that thing is that if you don't have love towards God, if you don't have enough bhakti towards God, then you get to go into the heavenly planet. It's like क्या भगवान के लिए मरने मिटने के लिए रेडी हो क्या? पूरा लाइफस्टाइल चेंज कर सकते हो क्या? दैट काइंड ऑफ लव द लॉर्ड एक्सपेक्ट्स. इट हैज टू बी अनकंडीशनल लव टू द लॉर्ड. वी आर ऑल प्रैक्टिसिंग भक्तास. वी इवेंचुअली एज वी कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग, maybe in this lifetime, maybe after practicing many lifetimes, we will one day reach to that stage where we have unalloyed devotion to the Lord, complete faith to the Lord. वो कौन है छोटा बच्चा जिसका आता है भक्ता, क्या नाम है इसका? हाँ, वो भागवत, हाँ, भक्ता भागवत. ही इज वन सच केस. इतना छोटा बच्चा है, 3, 5, 6, 7 जो भी है इसका घर में, बट ही इज कंटिन्यूसली, ही इज अ बिग डिवोटी फ्रॉम द previous life, who is continuing his journey. So it is very important that we very seriously focus after this knowledge that we are getting, that we have to become serious. और भगवान इसमें बताते 8.16 में, भगवद गीता 8.16, नोट इट डाउन. आ ब्रह्म भुवन लोका पुनरवर्तिनो अर्जुना मामुपेत्य तु कौन्तेय पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते. Yes, please. Can you read the translation?
From the highest planet in the material world down to the lowest, all are pieces of misery wherein repeated birth and death take place. But one who attains to my abode, O son of Kunti, never takes birth again.
ठीक है, भगवान आश्वासन देते हैं, अर्जुन को समझा रहे हैं. ये प्लानिटरी सिस्टम जो मैंने समझाया अभी ना, हमने देखे हाईएस्ट प्लानिटरी सिस्टम इन द मटेरियल वर्ल्ड डाउन टू द लोवेस्ट, ऑल आर प्लेसेस ऑफ मिजरीज वेयर रिपीटेड बर्थ डेथ टेक प्लेस. बट वन हु अटेन्स टू माय अबोर्ड, एक बार मेरे पास आ गया वापस नहीं जाएगा यहाँ से. He clearly tells Arjun, and then there are many such verses. Very good. तो वापस कैसे जाना है भगवान के पास? If you look at this, I'll just exit this thing now, and we will come back to this one. So if I'm going to zoom out now. ये यहाँ पे किधर है मेरा माउस? हाँ, ये हरे कृष्णा महामंत्र दिख रहा है ना ये. So you are here in this कर्म भूमि. From this भूर लोका there is direct exit path. यहाँ से exit route है, and you can directly go out. You just follow that हरे कृष्णा महामंत्र. कहाँ जा रहा है? ऊपर. ये हरे कृष्णा महामंत्र है ना, ऐसे ऐसे ये लाइन जा रही है ना, ये ऊपर जाइए. इट इज एग्जिटिंग आउट ऑफ दिस ब्रह्मांड. इट इज ऑल्सो आप क्या बोलते हैं इसको? इट इज ऑल्सो पियर्सिंग द कारणा ओशन. इट इज पियर्सिंग द ब्रह्म ज्योति, एंड इट कैन टेक यू टू द स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड विच इज अबव. देर इज अ ब्रह्म ज्योति है यहाँ पे. दिस ब्रह्म ज्योति सेपरेट्स द स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड फ्रॉम द मटेरियल वर्ल्ड. ओके, so ब्रह्म कुमारीज वाले जो भी है कि जो बिलीव इन द लाइट फॉर्म, they get to come here, but bhaktas go directly up to the Lord. And here, the way there are millions of planets here, similarly there are billions of spiritual planets. प्रभु श्री रामचंद्र का planet है यहाँ पे. Then there are देखिए ऐश्वर्य धाम है, अयोध्या धाम है, अनेक धाम है यहाँ पे. ओके, द्वारका धाम है, अयोध्या है, मथुरा है, एंड देन द टॉप मोस्ट प्लैनेट इन द स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड is Goloka Vrindavan. So you see this Hare Krishna Mahamantra, it is depicted here. that we actually can exit this material world and get into one of these planets here. कोई भी planet में यहाँ पे 2 bedroom का मिल गया घर, बस मजा. हाँ? But if you go to Swargaloka, then again you will have to come back to Manda. वापस आना पड़ेगा मंडा में, वॉलेट में. फिर से कोई फिर क्लास ढूंढना पड़ेगा कि फ्राइडे को कौन दे रहा है क्लास, इधर फिर से कुछ करे. हाँ, और फिर ज़रूरी नहीं कि फिर उधर कीर्तन ही अच्छा लगेगा कि प्रसाद भी ठीक से बनाएंगे नहीं बनाएंगे क्या होएगा. हाँ, वी आर वेरी वेरी फॉर्चुनेट दैट आवर टीम is very very enthusiastic in serving all of you. There are so many people working in the background, and I'm sure the Lord is noting it, and it is said in Bhagavad Gita that the Lord gives special preferences. वैसे भगवान तो चीटिंग नहीं करते कभी, but at the same time he will give special preferences to his devotees. So he has special preferences. Okay, so from a karma perspective अभी आपका knowledge बहुत ही enhanced हो गया है. We have covered various types of karmas. We have said how the karma cycle works. Starting में avidya, lack of knowledge. Due to avidya, what happens? We have sinful desires. That sinful desires take root and become bijam. Okay, and then once that bij is there, that bij is eventually going to fructify. तो क्या होगा? बीजम से we will do papam. We will do that sinful action, and then once we do papam, then what will happen? 2 types: prarabdha, aprarabdha. Prarabdha is the reaction that we are already receiving in this life and we are about to receive in this particular life. Aprarabdha is the reaction stored for the future. So based on aprarabdha, you will get reactions in the next life. Correct? So does the karma cycle end here? No. So what happens? Aprarabdha prarabdha में क्या होता है? Once you do an activity, a bijam, there is also a proclivity to redo that activity, that is called as kutam. Okay. So when we take a dip in the Ganges, what happens? Prarabdha and aprarabdha can be nullified, but that kutam, that proclivity to do that sin again, वो पाप फिर से करने का वो नहीं जाता. वो किससे जाता है? भक्ति से जाता है. Bhakti means Krishna Bhakti only. We can't pick any of the other Devi Devatas. Sorry to say, but let's say somebody is a great devotee of Ganesh ji. I come from Bombay, so Ganesh ji, Ganesh ji my favorite Lord, if you say. But if I go to Ganesh ji, मुझे इसे जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि से बाहर निकालो ना प्लीज, तो नहीं कर सकते. बिकॉज ये से मैं ही ऊपर स्वर्गलोक का प्लानिटरी सिस्टम में, मेरा भी पोजीशन उधर ही है भाई. I can give you something else. You ask me for something else, some goodies, and I can give it to you. But I can't give you what you are asking. वो एक ही जन दे सकता है. That is the topmost there. All right. So only bhakti can do. And then next week now we will see various shlokas from the scriptures which tells about bhakti and how to do bhakti, so that we can get out of this Brahmanda. Okay. All right.
I have one question.
Yes.
In Hatha Yoga and other yogis, what I have read a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm not saying I know a lot, a little bit, but I have made sense of it. So they say like there are 5 koshas, you know, as you also mentioned that. And when you dissolve all those 5 koshas, you attain moksha. Also, in the slide I noticed when you zoom out, you know, so I noticed that intelligence, mind,
Yeah.
air, ether, something like that.
Yeah, there are these coverings of the universe. Yes, yes.
So, what's the I want more clarity over it.
So how Hatha yogis get
Yes, they are
get
in
different.
mokshas, how
Yeah.
they-
So we will cover this in a
related.
we'll cover this in a topic called types of yoga. Types of yoga. There is a separate topic for it. So we will see, you know, there's a karma yoga, jnana yoga, then ashtanga yoga, or this Hatha yoga is part of the ashtanga yoga process. So we will see different destinations of different yogis, and then we will see also bhakti yoga kahan tak jata hai na? So that's part of it. So it's a bigger topic to discuss, and if I just give you some snippets, you will not be in a position to to accept it. I have to build that base for you to how we have built the base right now for karma. We have been talking since 3-4 classes. अभी कर्मा से समझ रहे थे है ना? Yes.
In Mahaloka, we said the description said they are doing yajnas and all of that to Krishna, offering.
Yeah.
So they are also doing bhakti, right? Every like
Yeah.
sages and all those. lokas
Yeah,
are doing
progress
bhakti.
करते रहते हैं.
How is only earth an exit path and how are other lokas not an exit
Because
path?
earth is a karma bhumi. It is that way. So from there also there could be some people who may go to the level of that Brahma Jyoti, but eventually Srila Prabhupada says they will come back again. Okay, it's because the bhakti, serious bhakti will happen only here. So it's more of an enjoyment tendency there. Okay, but yes, as I said, we are doing a bird's eye view. We don't want to go into a PhD mode into different planetary systems. We are on earthly mode. Focus here. कि इधर से बाहर कैसे निकलने का. And you can read in Srimad Bhagavatam. I have given that canto number. Na? You can read there. So Srila Prabhupada has given various things there.
So you mean like miseries on the earth are basically a push for us to
Perfect.
go.
Perfect.
And there's pleasure, there's no miseries, so there is no push.
Yeah, there is no push. So there is more of an enjoyment thing on other planetary systems, including the Bilva, including the subterranean heavenly planets and the upper planets, heavenly planets. All right. So I think we are over time now. So we will call it a day. We will end the class formally here, and then if you have questions, you can come and talk to me here. We will do a quick. So we have we are not celebrating. Are we celebrating any birthdays today? नहीं है ना कुछ किसी का? Okay, we'll sing a Hare Krishna to Suresh and Divya. I think it is their 11th wedding anniversary. We are not doing wedding anniversaries as such, but Mataji has told me, and then it's a happy occasion for them. It is today, so let us wish our very best in terms of for their spiritual progress.